Uh, Good day, ma'am. So today we're going to discuss about Jainism, an ancient Indian religion. So Jainism is one of the world's oldest religions. It originated in India over 2,500 years ago. Its core principles are nonviolence and self-discipline.
Historical origins and Tirthankaras, Indus Valley Civilization. Jainism origins trace back to East Asian civilization. Mars Vanata, the 23rd Tirthankara lived around the 18th century BCE. Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara around the 16th century BCE popularized Jainism.
The core beliefs, there are three jewels. One is right faith, belief in teachings of the Tirthankaras. Two is right knowledge, understanding Jain philosophy is the key. Third is right conduct. Adherence to ethical principle is essential.
So the principles of Jainism, ahimsa or the nonviolence. This is the most important principle. It avoids harm to all living beings. Anikantavada or non-absolutism. Recognize the multi-faced nature of truth. There are many perspectives. The aparigraha or non-attachment. Detachment from material possessions and worldly pressure. So these are the principles of Jainism, which mainly consists of the non-violence, non-absolutism, and the non-attachment.
Jain practices and asceticism. Monasticism. Monks and nuns strictly adhere to vows and ascetic practices. Vegetarianism. A strict vegetarian diet avoids harming animals. It is a core practice. Fasting and meditation. These practices foster self-discipline and spiritual growth.
So overall, it Jainism also have their very important practices that they should follow in for their religion, such as not by not eating animals.
Because they believe that uh, the key to world peace is non-violence. That's why they have their strict vegetarian diets so that they cannot harm animals.
Yes, by also implementing meditation through engaging through self-discipline and spiritual growth.
Jain sects, Digambara and Svetambara. Digambara, monks practice complete nudity. They are primarily in South India. Svetambara, monks wear white robes. They are more prevalent in North India. The key differences, sects vary in scriptures and practices. Both follow Jain principles. So they have so the South and North India they have different sectors of Jainism. So, but they both follow Jain principles. So, in South India, the monks practice complete nudity, and while in the North India, the monks wear white robes.
Chinese Jainism in India today. The Jain's population in India today is 4 to 5 million. An estimated 40 states wherein it concentrate in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. And its key contribution is significant impact on philosophy, art, and literature.
Jain temples and cultural impact. Temple architecture. Intricate design, such as the Dilwara temples, are beautiful. Cultural preservation. Jains preserve ancient manuscripts and promote education. Global relevance. Promoting nonviolence, environmentalism, and social justice globally.
that is all about our report in Jainism, ma'am. Thank you very much for listening.
Good day, ma'am.